Hi guys, so I'm at home, I'm hanging out with Small Z. Jessie is outside with our dogs, with the rest of our dogs, and I'm just enjoying sitting on the porch and looking outside because it's absolutely beautiful. Check this out. Look how beautiful that is. I just love sitting outside here. I'm still working on my handstand. There it is. See, I improved. Anyways, I just want to remind you guys that we're still looking for a few girls out there who want to work out with me in January for 30 days. So if you're somebody who wants to lose weight, if you want to get into shape, you can still send your email to contest@zuskalai.com. Send me your pictures, send me your stories, and I'm gonna pick a few of you for this contest. And those of you who are gonna be picked, it's gonna be so much fun because first of all, we're gonna be working out together for 30 days. We're gonna be talking about diet. You know, I'm gonna make sure that you're staying in track. You're gonna have my phone number. You're gonna be able to call me 24/7. If you have cravings in the middle of the night, you're gonna call me. This guy, I have cravings. I don't know what to do. You know, I can be sleeping. I don't care. I'm gonna pick up the phone and I'm gonna talk you out of it. You know, or we're gonna be just like so close. We're gonna be just doing this together, really, for the entire 30 days, and we'll get you there. We're gonna, you know, reach your goals together. And besides that, you're gonna also win really cool prizes. Every single girl who is gonna be picked for this contest is gonna get some really nice prizes. So make sure to send your pictures and your stories, your personal story, to this email, contest@zuskalai.com. And so I'm looking forward to see you guys in January, because we're gonna have so much fun, I promise. And that's it. There's Smallzy sleeping. And that's it for today, I guess, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.